Ka jingiai bteng ka Kynrum Kynram skulbah North Eastern Hill University kala pynlong Nongialam ka BJP ban tuklar lang bat pyntip kine Khubor sorkar ha Delhi. Nakaliang Nongialam ka parti badairu Myntri sorkar ka Jylla Bah AL Hek iathuh bekila debru ban kynduh ki Samla bat ki nonghikai na katei ka skulbah ha ka iadei bat kane ka ishu.
We visit today to Nehu with our party senior member. So we have seen the situation there from bad to worse is completely deteriorated now. So these people also want to resolve the problem that we are facing at this time. So we said that we only can convey your message to the central leadership, to the Honorable Education Minister at Delhi, and also to our National President of the BJP, Shri JP Naddaji, to send a copy. The situation is very, very from bad to us. So this is what we have told. And before that, also, I just want to share with all of you. We had a meeting on my discussion with Delhi also. And also they have already sent a representative from Delhi, and we met Saturday with Meta and Nehunsa and other Nehu organizations. We have met in my residence. We had discussed very positive, constructive discussion with them. So we hope, I think we'll get a positive response. We are looking for a positive response from the NDA government at the center under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister and also the Education Minister. I will not multiple. I have already sent one letter, but we have multiple discussion through the telephonic discussion, and also I am very happy that at least there's their central representative also they have came all the way in my residence. Saturday we had a very constructive and meaningful discussion. So we hope that there will be some positive response will come from the central leadership. Give assurance like that. They have to go so many. You have to see the in and out situations. Now we have also listening from one party, from two party. We have to listen to another 2-3 parties also to ensure that we get a very very concrete reports and the concrete feedback. Then only we can take it forward with the center. Now, of course, it has goes after this discussion and this meeting, the Saturday and today's meeting. It seems that we have to somewhere we have to reach to the conclusions now. But everything depends on the decision taken by the center. They are also the center. They are not blindly going to take decision on so immediately. They have to take all the reports, and report is not only from one angle. The report will go from different ends. Those to be in that meeting, also few of those members were in the meeting had mentioned the same. But the side has to be have the fact finding team to get the very appropriate information and appropriate report. Just by saying by one or two people also we cannot take into conclusion that report will go on not only from one angle. I told you the report will go from the different angle to the center to come to the conclusions of the decisions.